Apple's product rollout is far from over. Even after the whirlwind launch of the iPhone 17 last week, the tech giant has at least 10 more exciting releases planned in the near future. And this is the part most people miss. Half of these new products are set to hit the market before the year ends, making the remaining months of 2025 incredibly busy for Apple fans. But here's where it gets controversial. Many expected these items to debut at the recent September event, yet they didn't show up. Could this signal strategic delays or just last-minute refinements? Let's break down what's still on the horizon, according to insider Mark Gurman from Bloomberg. We're likely to see some of these launches as soon as next month. First up is the iPad Pro refresh, now powered by Apple's latest M5 chip. This new processor promises to deliver improvements similar to those seen with the A19 Pro chip, but scaled for the iPad's needs, offering faster performance and better energy efficiency. Additionally, Apple plans to upgrade the front camera system with a second camera positioned for portrait shots. There's also speculation, though not confirmed, that this iPad Pro could feature the same innovative square selfie camera sensor introduced with the iPhone 17, which could improve photo and video quality. Next, the Vision Pro headset gets an update with the M5 chip, moving up from the current M2 inside it. While the hardware design itself likely won't change, so don't expect a lighter or slimmer headset, a refreshed strap might be included, and a new color option called Space Black might be introduced to the lineup. Apple's long-rumored AirTag 2 is also reportedly on the way. This updated version is expected to incorporate the advanced U2 chip recently introduced in the AirPods Pro 3, which enhances precision tracking capabilities dramatically. This means finding lost items could become faster and more accurate. Great news for anyone who's misplaced their keys or wallet. For smart home enthusiasts, the Apple TV and HomePod Mini are also set for updates. Both devices will get new processors and benefit from Apple's new N1 networking chip, revealed at the iPhone 17 event. Not only will the Apple TV support the next-generation Siri voice assistant and other Apple Intelligence features coming in 2026, but the HomePod Mini might also be refreshed with new color options, adding some variety to the smart speaker lineup. Looking beyond 2025, early 2026 will usher in more product reveals. Traditionally, Apple refreshes its MacBook Pro models in October, but this time, the update is expected a bit later, in early 2026. This won't be the major redesign featuring OLED displays and thinner chassis, rumored for late 2026. Those are still a ways off. Instead, expect the MacBook Pro to keep its current look but receive a powerful M5 chip upgrade. Similarly, the MacBook Air is expected to gain the M5 chip early next year. This update will follow the trend of modest improvements, enhancing performance without radically changing the design. Apple is also working on new external displays, but it appears only one will be released soon. The choice is likely between an updated Studio display or a Pro Display XDR successor. Both are expected to stick with a 27-inch size, focusing on refining rather than reinventing Apple's existing premium display options. In the smartphone line, the iPhone 17e is rumored to follow the iPhone 16e's debut earlier this year. Many wondered if this more affordable, lighter spec model would receive annual updates. Early signs suggest yes. Expect a version next spring with the faster A19 chip and other incremental tweaks. Finally, Apple's long-anticipated Smart Home Hub, designed to be a Siri-powered control center, is expected to launch in early 2026. It was supposed to arrive last year, but was delayed due to limitations with Apple's AI-powered Siri features. Once Apple successfully rolls out the revamped Siri with iOS 26.4, this product category should finally materialize, potentially changing how we interact with smart devices at home. So, in sum, the coming months promise a wave of fresh Apple hardware, many of which are long-awaited updates to products that have been overdue for a refresh. It's a thrilling period, not just for Apple enthusiasts, but for anyone interested in tech innovation. What's your take on Apple's upcoming product lineup? Are you excited about any in particular, or do you think some of these updates are too incremental? Let's spark a conversation. Share your thoughts below.